Hello, my dear friends. My name is Iman Abdollahi, and today I'm gonna teach you 5 idioms with animals. So, if you haven't seen the previous video, watch it by the link that I put above. The first idiom is sitting duck. Sitting duck. What does it mean? A sitting duck is an easy target, a person who is easy to deceive. For example, that girl was a sitting duck for the man. The second idiom is cat nap. Cat nap. What does it mean? If you have a short sleep during the day, you have a cat nap. For example, my sister sometimes has a cat nap on Saturday. The next idiom is every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. This expression means that everyone can be successful at something at some time in their life. For example, they didn't win this time, but they will be lucky one day. Every dog has its day. The fourth idiom is Beard the lion in his den. Beard the lion in his den. If you visit someone important in the place where they work in order to challenge him or her or obtain something, you beard the lion in his den. For example, if he continues his bad behavior, I'll have to beard the lion in his den. Now, the last idiom of today we want to learn it is bear with a sore head. Bear with a sore head. When someone is behaving like a bear with a sore head, they are very irritable and bad tempered. For example, when his computer crashed, Tim was like a bear with a sore head. This is the end of this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you learn English language easier. Goodbye.